Hello guys, I am Kavindra. Today I am going to explain about half adder and design it with Logisim. Let's go to the video. In half adder, it's add two numbers together. I will explain in next session about full adder. After I done that, you will understand what is the difference between half and full adder. Let's consider this as half adder. I sent two input to this. I naming those as A and B, and there is a two outputs. Those are sum and carry. Here, this will add A and B together and give sum and carry. Let's see this half adder truth table. Here, you can see this sum and carry bit column, and those are inputs columns. So when we considering this first row, A and B are 0, 0. After adding those things, it will generate 0 and 0 as the output. So here you can see this purple color digit will indicate this carry bit column, and green color digit is indicate this sum column. So I will go forward, then you will understand this concept. When this is 1, it is indicate 0, 1. When 1 and 0, it is also 1, 0 and 1. When both inputs are 1 and 1, then output is equal to 2. 2 is indicate in the binary way as 1 and 0. Here you can see this is carry bit. It is indicate here in this table. Before going to design our half adder circuit, we need to identify what are the logic gates that we needed to design this half adder. For do that, we need to analyze this truth table. First, get this sum column. Then we can see here when A and B inputs are different, it is generate 1, and when both inputs are same, it will generate 0. That means this thing is also doing by Xor Gate. Xor Gate look like this, and it is indicate in this symbol. This means A XOR B. So we can write sum is equal A XOR B. Next, think about this carry bit column. When we analyze this, we can see when both A and B are 1, it is generate carry is 1. So it is only this point generate 1. This thing also doing by our AND gate. So we can use it here. Then A and B, this is satisfy our requirement. So we can say carry is equal A and B. So this is the things we need to know before going to design half adder. Now let's go into design half adder with Logisim. Okay, let me note down that two expressions. Those are sum equal A XOR B, and next one is carry equal A and B. So now we are going to design both of these. So firstly we need XOR gate. Here I am get XOR gate and set it to 2 inputs and get yes, and give one input labeled. I labeled it as A, connect it, get another input and label it as a B. Now we get and gate. I put it here, set it to 2 inputs and connect this A and B to that. Then now output of this XOR gate is equal to sum. Let's put output here and join it. Label it as a sum. Then this output is called carry. So this is the simply half adder circuit. Let's simulate this circuit. So click in here, we can add 0, 0 and 1, then it is indicate like this, and both input is 1, it is put carry out. So let's get the truth table of this logic circuit. So for that, go to project and analyze circuit. Now we can get this truth table. So let's compare this thing and our previous table. Then we can understand it is working or not. So you can see those both are same. So that's the thing about half adder. I think you learn how to implement this half adder circuit, and that's the thing I need to teach you in this lesson. Thank you guys. See you in next session. Have a good day.